Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. Now it's shopping Sunday, but a day late due to me being in the hospital, but we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to hunt for all of the new arrivals this week. Now it's always fun to share all of these finds with you all so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's just dive in. Now for this video, I'm jumping straight into the craft section. Look what I found, you guys. These are back. So these were popular last year and they ran out so quickly, but these solid wood signs with home, they have this rainbow and they do have one that says hello on there. So much fun to customize and decorate because there's a lot of space above it. Now I did find one more that said welcome right around the corner, and there's so much room that you can put some message on there. So these are great to craft with. Now here's another thing in the craft section that I found, more rub-ons, and this time it's a totally different style and I love these. So I love the antique, old-fashioned, country chic type of style that these rub-ons offer, and they had 3 different ones in my store, or actually 4, so you guys can choose from all of these and you can even mix and match. So on the back of all of these, it gives you a guide and shows you all of the possibilities of the things that you can do with these. As you see, they apply these to wood, but these will go on metal and other surfaces as well. Now check out these stickers in the craft section. These look so realistic. Now the fun thing about these stickers is that they have like a raised design. So you can actually see the outline of the petals. You could see the veining in the leaves. I think that is so unique and high end for these types of stickers at the Dollar Tree. So if you are into scrapbooking or even crafting and you want something different, you can definitely check out these stickers at the Dollar Tree. Now I did feature these sunflower ones earlier, but look at these daisies. Oh my goodness. I love all of the really bright and pretty colors for spring and summer. Now they did have some fall collection out as well. And if you see on these fall leaves, I tried to zoom in a little bit where you can see that veining so you can see all of the detail that these items offer. So definitely check it out and see if your Dollar Tree stores have these stickers. Now this is one last one that I saw with roses. So really pretty, and I think these would be fun to craft with. Now, if you need tags, go to the Dollar Tree. They had so many tags at this particular store. All kinds of signs from hearts to squares to ovals. Let me tell you, these tags are so fun and you see those in a lot of crafts. Now, I did look at the vinyl. Look at this beautiful rainbow glitter vinyl, and it's also an iron-on sheet. So this is the first time I've ever seen this glitter rainbow. So that was really fun to find today. Now last week I featured the bee collection, but look what I found this week, the little containers. Now I didn't see these last week, but these are so adorable and will go with all of your other bee themed things. And I saw them in gold and white. 2 new signs, you guys. I love the signs that the Dollar Tree is coming out with, and these are both wine themed and they're mounted on a jute twine string. Now if you don't like the wine, you can always paint over these to make them your own, so that makes them versatile. I also saw these new square signs, and these are all in a wine theme as well. My doctor says I need glasses, and they show little wine glasses on that one. That has to be my favorite one in the collection here, but they did have 3 to choose from at the Dollar Tree. And these were neat too. So these are called Cork table mats. And so I thought these were fun. They had one in an animal print, and then they had one with some little wording on it. And they're actually really pretty thick, and the back of them is blank. So you can definitely customize these as you like as well. Now on the table round, they had these cute rainbows. I love these. So choose happy and good vibes. Now, if you're not into the design, I flipped it over and I immediately had craft ideas jumping in my head, being that I could use it as a blank, so I definitely grabbed 2 of those. They also had these really pretty Be Kind rainbow framed pieces. I love this. I bought it to put on my office at on my desk at my office, which is really fun. Now, this is my first time seeing these flowers. I really love them. I thought it was only one with the a yellow, but look, they have it in white as well. So cute. I think these would be adorable in a little girl's room. Now check these out. Now if these don't give you a retro 80s and 90s vibes, I don't know what does. These are so neat. I love all the fun and funky colors. It really reminds me of MTV back in the day. You know, they had Max on there. So fun. And you can put little votive candles in there. Now these were some more MDF signs that they had. This one had tropical vibes. And then they had this one. It has a couple of pair of sunglasses with that retro lightning design on there. And then this one with the panda and the watermelon. Really, really cute. Now they had some new glasses at the Dollar Tree. Now these are acrylic glasses, but look at the beautiful finish. It's like an iridescent, and they come in blue, clear, turquoise, and red. I think these will be gorgeous with the solar lights inside. I could just imagine how pretty that would be. Be on the lookout for these acrylic glasses. Now I took a look down my floral aisle, and it's Mother's Day weekend, so look at the mess. Everybody's been grabbing flowers all day, so there's flowers everywhere. So it's not always neat, but it's okay. Now check this out. This was on the center round. They had these little bride compact kits. Now inside they have 2 mirrors, you guys. So you can use this for anything. One says bride and the other one said team bride. So you can use those for any occasion. And this little bridal emergency kit I thought was so cute, but you can use this any day as well. It had a bunch of hair accessories, a comb, some little pins and ponytail holders. So this would be cute to keep on yourself at all times. Now check out all the new sleep masks. They have some with little wording on them and designs and patterns. I love these. I needed one of these while I was in the hospital with all the blinking lights and flashing. Oh my goodness. I wish I had one of these, but I definitely picked one up today. Now this was new. This is a silicone straw. So it's a portable straw that you take and you can use for your different drinks. I've never seen something like this before. So I guess if you need a straw on the go, this would be ideal for you. Now in the teacher section, look at these little tags. I haven't seen these tags before. So these are supposed to be name card tags as shown on the back here, but I can see using these for tags for bins and for organization, and that is why I picked them up. I did pick up 2 of these. These are such a great organization idea. I also looked in the teacher section for lanyards, and I was surprised to find out that they sell them in 2-packs, which is great. Now, if you are a crafter like me, I always put my scissors on them because I'm always misplacing them. So I love these lanyards for that purpose. Now Crayola has totally gone crazy with their color varieties, but I love it. They have pearl, regular, metallic, all kinds of different styles. So your coloring projects will never get bored for the kiddos, or if you're like me, I love to color as an adult. So they have so many different varieties to choose from now. I was just really surprised to see this entire collection. Now I love to yard sale, and if you are having one, go to the Dollar Tree. You're going to find your signs, stakes, labels, pricing, markers, all cheaper at the Dollar Tree. Now they have so many, anything that you need. And as a yard sailor, I have to say, if you are new to yard sailing, one thing that helps me out the most, please put arrows on your signs. I'm always in areas I'm not familiar with. Put your arrow on your sign, people. That'll make it so much easier for people to find you. Now check out in the kitchen section, they have blender bottles. So these are really fun to use, especially if you're a nutrition nut like me and trying to eat healthier. I always have drinks and shakes on the go. They had them in clear and they had them in black. Much cheaper here at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Also in the kitchen section, the bonus containers are out again. I love this time of year when they put these out. You get 1 extra bonus container in each set of all of their different containers. So don't think of these only for the kitchen. I always use these containers in different sections of my home. I also do a lot of meal prepping, and these are perfect. It's an easy, cheap option. I make a lot of soups and stews, and freezing them in portions is so really easy. So you can also use these for craft room organization. You can use them in tool organization for like nuts and bolts and nails and things like that. So definitely keep that in mind when looking at these containers. There's always a way to get a space neat and tidy with these little containers, and the best thing is you can do it on the cheap. So check your Dollar Tree for these bonus selections. Now, I took a peek at what's coming out in June. They have these new chargers coming out in a different color. And look, the lemon plates are coming back out. They have lemon mugs and they have lemon bowls. These are all labeled to come out in June. So I am so excited to see that they're back. Some new items I saw. Look, the Bumblebee collection. They have the Bumblebee and Flowers mug. They have the Bumblebee bowls and the plates to match. Keep your eyes peeled for this collection. It's hitting the shelves soon. Now, I've heard a lot about the pink stuff cleaning, but the Dollar Tree has their version of this cleaning paste. If you have used this, let me know in the comments how it's worked for you. Now, I featured these oversized solo buckets, but look, they have new colors, a sage green and a turquoise. So they have other colors rather than red, white, and blue, so keep your eyes out for these. And now that Mother's Day is behind us, we have Father's Day come, and I see that they have Armor All brand products at Dollar Tree. All of these products make a great gift basket stuffer. So you can get buckets and rags and sponges, and you can make a beautiful gift basket with these things. Now, over in the plus section, look what just got stocked back up at my Dollar Tree. Those 2-tier metal trays. These are so fun to decorate all year round. And I know that they show cupcakes on them, but you can use them for every single day decor, which is so much fun. Now, I've taken a couple of my trays. I've put farmhouse decor on there, plants, greenery. I've even used them on my vanity for perfume organization and makeup. You can do these in so many ways. Now, another new item in the plus section are these stackable organizers. Now, I was really surprised at the quality of these. These are really thick and sturdy. They're only $5 a piece, and here are two stacked together to kind of show you what they look like. So definitely see if your Dollar Tree has these. And then this water bottle. Oh my goodness, I was so excited to find it. I was looking for a large water bottle, and I love these because it has timestamps and motivational sayings, which keeps me drinking water. So you definitely have to get one of these. I picked up a gray one. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week with even more brand new arrivals at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects I will link in the description box below. Now, I will be returning with new DIYs after my recovery soon. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, in this video, I featured this awesome metal 2-tiered tray, which is one of my favorite finds today. Now, I did buy an extra tray in white, and I'll be giving it away to one lucky viewer. Now, to enter this giveaway, just leave a comment below answering this question. How would you decorate or use this tray in your home decor? Now, this contest will close Wednesday, May 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish every single one of you good luck. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what was your most exciting find at Dollar Tree recently. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.